Hello students, welcome back. I hope all of you are doing well at your respective places and all of you are quite well. And I'm here with you again to share a very common topic, but sometimes the students are unaware of it. I want you to read this one, question tag. Question tag. You must have heard this word somewhere or other, and question is quite clear to all of you, but tag. You can link it with a tag. Tag is something like a price tag. Whenever we buy something, so with every item there is a tag, like price tag or some other tags. So here is the same. It is a question tag in the form of a question which is attached with a sentence. So read these sentences. You are honest. You are honest, aren't you? It means you are honest. आप ईमानदार हो, aren't you? क्या आप नहीं हो? You do not like tea. आप चाय पसंद नहीं करते. Do you? क्या आप करते हो? Go ahead. Don't you? Go ahead. आगे बढ़ो. Don't you? क्या आप नहीं बढ़ोगे? You have got a car. Haven't you? क्या you have got a car? आपके पास एक कार है. Haven't you? क्या नहीं है? She took her tea. उसने अपनी चाय ली. उसने अपनी चाय पी. Didn't she? क्या उसने नहीं पी. So at the end of every sentence there is a question, but it is a short question, and this part is called question tag. This part is question tag. So you must have noticed something. If the sentence is in positive, the question tag is in negative, and vice versa. You do not like tea. Now this sentence is in negative, so the question tag would not be negative, it would be positive. Do you? You do not like tea. आप चाय पसंद नहीं करते. Do you? क्या आप करते हैं? And you have got a car. आपके पास एक कार है. Haven't you? क्या नहीं है? And she took her tea. Didn't she? उसने अपनी चाय पी. Didn't she? क्या उसने चाय नहीं पी? So there are two things. I think you know now. The question tag is a tag which is asked at the end of a sentence. So if the sentence is a positive one, so the question tag would be negative. One thing. If the sentence is in negative, the question tag would be in positive. One thing. And secondly, question tag would use the same helping verb which has been used in that particular sentence. For example, in this one, we use the verb are. So we have used are. In this one, we have used the helping verb do, and we also use the word do in question tag. In this particular sentence, we use the word helping verb have. So we have used haven't. And here it is the second form, and its helping verb would be didn't. So I hope that this will help you to understand the question tag. Form your own question tag. These are asked to have a confirmation from the other side. When the person responds yes, yes, I do, it means the person has confirmed yes, like this one. You have got a car, haven't you? When you ask the person, haven't you? When the person would respond, yes, I have got a car, so it is quite clear that the person has got a car. So this type of question tags are asked to have confirmation from the other person. So I hope that this information would add up to your knowledge and would help to improve your English, the understanding of your English language. And once again, I hope you would enjoy this video, and if you like the content, you may subscribe this channel and also share it with your friends so that they could also be benefited. Thank you for watching this video.